how to turn off more activity about you, push notifications, settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off more activity about you, push notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite, and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then notifications, and here just go down, and here you will find more activity about you. Click on it and then turn push off and go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.